Hello YouTube family, welcome back, and let's provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, which is 27 raised power x plus 3 raised power x. This is equal to 7.8. What is the value of x? Solution. Now we have 27 raised power x plus 3 raised power x. This essentially is equal to 7.8. Okay, now we can be able to express 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3. Okay, now from here we can substitute 3 raised to power 3 here. We will have 3 raised to power 3 raised to power x, okay, plus 3 raised to power x. This is equal to 7.8. Okay, now applying the indices identity, if you have a raised to power n raised to power m, this can also be expressed as a raised to power m raised to power n. Okay, so let's express using this identity or this property. We're going to have 3 raised to power x raised to power 3 plus 3 raised to power x. Then we subtract 7.8. This is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we can say let 3 raised to power x be m. Okay, let 3 raised to power x be m. So we can substitute here. We're going to have m cubed plus m subtract 7.8. This is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we can express 7.8 as 9 cubed, okay, plus 9. 9 cubed, this is 729 plus 9. Okay, so let's substitute here. We're going to have m cubed plus m subtract, now 7.8 we can express as 729 plus 9. This is equal to 0. Okay, now from here we're going to have m cubed plus m, okay, subtract 9 cubed plus 9. Okay, this is equal to 0. Now we'll have m cubed subtract m subtract 9 cubed subtract 9. This is equal to 0. Okay, now let's put together m cubed and 9 cubed, okay, because they have the exponent of 3. That is m cubed subtract 9 cubed subtract m subtract n. This is equal to subtract 9. This is equal to 0. Okay, so we have two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, so this first part, m cubed minus 9 cubed, this is actually the difference of two cubes, which is expressed as a cubed subtract b cubed, which we can express as a subtract b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, so let's have m cubed subtract 9 cubed. This can be expressed as m subtract 9. Then we'll have m squared plus 9m plus 9 squared, which is 81. Okay, so let's proceed. So m cubed plus m minus 9 cubed plus 9. Let's combine these as m cubed. This is plus m minus 9 cubed subtract 9. This is equal to 0. Okay, so let's combine m cubed and 9 cubed. Okay, they have exponent of 3. So you have m cubed subtract 9 cubed, okay, plus m minus 9. This is equal to 0. Okay, now from here you find that we have two parts. We have the first part actually, which is the difference of two cubes expressed as a cubed subtract b cubed, which is a minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, now we have m cubed subtract 9 cubed, which is m subtract 9. Okay, we have m squared plus, this is 9m plus 9 squared, which is 81. Okay, so now let's combine the first part and the second part. We'll have m subtract 9, okay, into the bracket we have m squared plus 9m plus 81 plus m subtract 9. This is equal to 0. Okay. Now, as you can see, m subtract 9 and m minus, this is common, so we can factor out m minus 9. We'll have m squared plus 9m plus 81 plus 1. Okay, this is equal to 0. Okay, now from here you can see that m minus 9 is equal to 0, so we have two parts, what is in the parentheses and m minus. So this is m minus 9, which is equal to 0. This is the first part, and that shows that the first value of m, which I can call m1, this is equal to 9. Okay, now we have the second part, which is m squared plus 9m plus 81 plus 1. This is equal to 82, which is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have a quadratic equation, which is m squared plus 9m plus 82 is equal to 0. Okay, and this is in the form of am squared plus bm plus c. This is equal to 0. Okay, whereby we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 9, and c is equal to 82. Okay, now from this part we can be able to determine the discriminant value, which will tell us the nature of the root of this quadratic equation. Okay, so the discriminant value is actually expressed as b squared minus 4 is c. This should be less than 0. Okay, so let's check. We have b squared, this is 9 squared, subtract 4 times 1 times c, which is 82. Okay, so 9 squared, this is 81, subtract, now we have 4, that is 4 times 82, this is 328. Okay, this is 328. So if you say 81 subtract 328, we're going to have negative 247, which is less than 0. Okay, so that means we have two complex roots. We have two complex roots, and these are actually imaginary roots. They are not real roots, imaginary roots. Okay, so we can be able to solve this quadratic equation using the quadratic formula, which is expressed as m is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay, so let's solve for these values of the imaginary roots. As for, okay, now we have this complex root. We have the complex roots as m1 and m2, now which are expressed in the form of a plus high b, and m2 is expressed as a minus ib. Okay, now let's substitute these values of a, b, and c back to a quadratic equation, so that we're going to have negative 9 plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 is c. This is the same thing as 9 squared subtract 4 times 1 times 82, divide everything by 2. Okay, so this is negative 9 plus or minus the square root of, this is 9 squared, which is 81, subtract 4 times 82, this is 328, divided by 2. Okay, so this is equal to negative 9 plus or minus the square root of negative 247, divide everything by 2. Okay, so we are going to have negative 9 plus or minus, now we can express negative 247. So let's verify that the value of x, which is equal to 2, satisfies the equation. Okay, now we have that from our math problem, this is our exponential equation, which is 27 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 738. So let's substitute the value of x, which is 2. Now we have 27 raised to power 2 plus 3 raised to power 2. They should give us a value of 738. Okay, so 27 can be expressed as 3 raised to power 3. Okay, now this is the same as we have 3 raised to power 3 raised to power 2 plus 3 squared. This is supposed to give us 738. Okay, Now 3 cubed, this is equal to 27. Now we have that this is 3 raised to power 3 squared plus 3 squared should give us 7, that's 8. So 3, this is 3 times 2, which is 3 raised to power 6 plus 3 squared. This is supposed to give us 7, that's 8, okay? So 3 raised to power 6, this is 729. This is equal to 729, and 3 squared, this is equal to 9, okay? So this is essentially 729 plus 9, which should give us 738. And it's true that 729 plus 9, this is 738, which is equal to 738. So that affirms that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that confirms that the value of x, which is equal to 2, satisfies the equation, okay? So, thank you for watching, and kindly follow the steps. And for those who have not subscribed, if it is your first time, kindly consider subscribing.